Hi there, students. What do you say to a horse if you want it to stop? Whoa! 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 Okay, this is an interjection, an exclamation. This is the phrase that you use to tell a horse to stop. If you want it to go, you say giddy up, get up, giddy up. Yeah, and then when you want it to stop, you say whoa. Notice there are a multitude of different spellings for this word. I think WHOA is the most standard. But whoa, it's a phrase that you use to tell an animal to stop. If you've got a donkey pulling a cart, you say whoa to the donkey as well. Now you can use this just to tell somebody to stop, to slow down. So whoa, back up there a minute. So my friend was telling me all about it, and I said, whoa, go back and explain that bit to me again. You're using this to tell a person to stop or to slow down or to do something more slowly. My friend started pouring whiskey in my glass, and I said, whoa, because he was going to pour me a huge amount. Okay, so whoa. My mum started serving me my Sunday lunch, and I had to say, whoa, please stop, or I'm not going to be able to eat it. Whoa, 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 stop, slow down, stop there. Nowadays, it's also quite common to use this phrase, whoa, to show that you're surprised or interesting. Whoa, what happened here? Whoa, I hear you passed your exam. That's fantastic. Whoa, how did this happen? So, as an exclamation of surprise or interest. Yeah? I think this is something that is probably more informal. It's probably more American as well. But let's go back to the beginning. So whoa, this is what you say to a horse. Is what you say to a draft animal to stop, to slow down, to go slower. So whoa there, no more. Whoa, slow down. Don't do any more of this yet. I know you're really keen to get started, but whoa, just for a minute. I need to explain a few things. And then as an expression of surprise, whoa, are you serious about that? So you're surprised about something. So, whoa, a command that's used to tell horses or other draft animals to slow down. So he said whoa to his horse, and they stopped, and he got off it and tied the horse to a tree. Yeah, he shouted giddy up to make the horse go forward, and whoa to get the horse to stop. Okay, so whoa, something to tell somebody to stop or slow down. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a horse. To urge a person to stop or to wait. Whoa, hold on a minute, Joe. Don't leave without me. Whoa, yeah, not quite yet. Wait. Or as surprise or alarm. Whoa, look at that. It was enormous. Yeah, when I got the bill, I said, whoa, I'm not sure I can pay this. So a command to an animal to stand still, or to tell somebody to slow down on a course of action or a line of thought, to pause and reconsider. Yeah, you very often use this to say, as a strong reaction, to say slow down. It's take it easy. Okay, so whoa, you give it to a command, as a command to somebody who's talking. For example, do it say you think they're talking too fast, or they're assuming things that may not be true. Whoa, what you're saying is not actually true. Let me give you the actual details of this. Okay, whoa, formality. I wouldn't write this word. Well, I think in inverted commas, yes, he said whoa. Ooh, okay, I think for informality, use as in an informal conversation, use in a semi-formal conversation. And then as to origin, okay, there are various different spellings, but this sound whoa probably has been around since the 1450, the 15th century. Probably from Middle English ho, an interjection. There's also an Old Norse interjection, or a shepherd's call. Old French ho, hold, wait. And I'm thinking in Spanish, so is what you say to a creature. So anyway, enough. Whoa, Alex, stop explaining, stop going so fast. Yeah, imagine somebody who's speaking to you in English but really quickly. Whoa, whoa, could you just slow down a bit? So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Whoa.